What's up, guys? I'm about to show you how to decrease these wave runners, like these spots here and here, a couple spots here, back here. So all you need is a heat gun. You're gonna run it around back and forth. You don't want to stay in one spot, because you stay in one spot, the glue is gonna heat up too much, and your sole will separate. So just run it back and forth, rotating the whole shoe, getting all the parts, and you should see a significant change in the creases. They should pop out. If you heat it up too much, just let it cool down and then go back over. You should see them pop up like so. Use low setting, of course. If you got a blow dryer, use low setting on that as well. This will need to clean up, so we're just touching it up with some water and some laundry detergent, liquid form. I use about a 1 part solution to 10 parts water. You see some product over there on the left, works just the same as that. A lot cheaper too. So just giving a cool once over. This is my personal shoe, so just cleaning up a bit. Wore one time, got some dirt on it, so got to make sure they look fresh. Wipe it off. Bam. There you go. Here's the before. Nasty ass creases. Boom. Good as new. Thanks for watching.